Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. Here's how taxpayers can check the status of their federal tax return. Method number 1. Watch for a big white truck with a blue bald eagle symbol and steering wheel on the wrong side pass your home. Once it does, go outside, open the mailbox. That's not the official method, however. Let's get down to the official method down below. IRS Tax Tip 2021-70, May 19, 2021. The most convenient way to check on tax refund is by using the Where's My Refund tool. So that way you don't have to go out and look for the truck or like go to the mail or anything. You can do it from the convenience of your home, probably or possibly from your smartphone. So there's a link to the Where's My Refund tool here. Taxpayers can start checking their refund status within 24 hours after an e-file return is received. The tool also provides a personalized refund date after the return is processed and a refund is approved. So it's kind of nice just to have the tool to know that they have received your refund as well, to make sure that it has been processed, because especially if you file late and you're kind of close to the deadline, it gives you a little bit of relief just to say, okay, I cleared the deadline hopefully, and they got the return, it has been processed, and then of course you can track the status of the refund. So taxpayers can access the Where's My Refund tool two ways: visiting IRS.gov, IRS.gov, the IRS website, or downloading it to the IRS.to-go app. So that's even more convenient. You don't even have to be home at all or at a computer, apparently. You could just have it on the IRS.to-go app. There's a link to that app here. To use the tool, taxpayers will need the Social Security number or Individual Taxpayer Identification number. So obviously they need to know who you are in order to use the tool. So you're going to have to give the identification number, the filing status. They're going to ask you some questions, in other words, about the actual return in order to give another level of verification. So that's the filing status, the exact amount of refund claimed on their tax return. This is the one that's probably the stopper for most people if you don't have the tax return in front of you. So if you're just, you're going around and you're driving around and trying to look it up on your phone. I mean, don't look it up on your phone when you're driving around, but like if you're somewhere else and you're looking it up on your phone, then you might not remember the exact amount of the refund. So just remember, if you're doing something somewhere else and you don't have the tax return, you're going to have to write down that component so you can be double checking on it on the go, possibly if you're doing it with the mobile app. So the tool displays progress in the 3 phases. So there's 3 phases that you will see. You have the return received. That's the nice one that can tell you for the procrastinators out there that are going, did I get it in time? Did I meet the deadline? Just barely, which is the way I like to do it because I'm a procrastinator. I got to get it right up to the last second that I can get it in on time. So you could check that, and then the refund approved. You can see if it has been approved, and then whether it has been sent or not. So those are statuses that you will see. When the status changes to approved, this means the IRS is preparing to send the refund as a direct deposit to the taxpayer's bank account or directly to the taxpayer in the mail by check to the address used on their tax return. The IRS updates the Where's My Refund tool once a day, usually overnight, so taxpayers don't need to check the status more often. So if you got it on your mobile app and you just got a nervous twitch that you check it every hour or something like that, you got to stop that. That's not good. It's not healthy. And it's not helpful because they're going to just change it. They're going to update it like once a day. So maybe in the morning, maybe in the evening. If you're checking it more often than that, you got to stop. You got to stop. So taxpayers allow time for their financial institution to post the refund to their account or for it to be delivered by mail. Calling the IRS won't speed up the tax refund. The information available on Where's My Refund is the same information available on IRS telephone assisters. So they're basically saying, don't call us about it, please, because they're shorthanded and whatnot. And they're only going to have the same information that is on the Where's My Refund tool. So you're not going to get any added information. So they're really trying to steer you to the website, like many businesses are these days, and trying to get you the information from there so you can basically look it up yourself. So for more information, we have the refund FAQs, the frequently asked questions. Taxpayers shouldn't believe these myths about the federal refunds. There's a link to those 2 informational tools here. We also have the IRS YouTube video. When will I get my refund? So there's a link to that video if you want more information on the IRS YouTube page. There'll also be a link to this in the description.